Hello everyone! First we have made some of the holes as shown here. After that, with the help of this thread in a crisscross manner, you can see how we are trying to fill this whole area of the hole into this type of the star similar shape as shown here. Once you are done with making this type of the star shape, you just have to see how you from the inner portion we are going to fill this star by just making some of the more needle ends towards the innermost direction and following the same type of the dots that we have made earlier for making the outline. Now fill it in the similar manner as shown on your screens. This is so good and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. It looks so beautiful. Let's now move further towards our another activity. First you just have to fill all the star properly as shown here. Now we will move towards our another activity. Here we have already measured some two circles. After that we are just making use of the needles, fix them properly and fill all the circle with this red color thread that's shown here, and it's quite easy and it's way less time consuming. Definitely give this one a try. At the center we are placing this yellow type of the thread and it looks quite good. Let's now see how we can make these type of the leafy patterns. First we have already made the outline with the help of the marker over this cloth. After that, with the help of the thread and the needle, you just have to sieve it in the V direction that's shown here. Just pause the video and follow the each step properly. Don't forget to make the stop portion. For that we are making use of the bold color. Let's now show you how we can place this button at its own place. We are making use of this green thread for just fixing it at the proper place. Now with the help of the purple thread, we are making some of the dots and these are going to represent some beautiful flowers. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos.